Previously on Ori.
Why couldn't we see it from before?
Because some blessings only appear after you choose the right road. Today, that is how destiny becomes clear. Àṣà ìṣe Ìwúre Làgbà. This is Yoruba culture.
Baba, I hear children.
Yes, Túndé. Observe the game, my son. See their skill.
Yes, Baba. How do they move the seeds?
With care and strategy. Each move is a lesson.
I captured 4. Father, can I play next? Hey, you spoil it. Alama must play with sense. If you don't think, you will lose all your stones. Baba, teach me this game.
Of course, my child. Each of these 12 pits holds 4 palm kernels. We sow them to capture our opponent's seeds. This is not just a game. It teaches how life moves. I will teach you different holes and boards. Each has meaning. In life, every move you make will return to you.
Oh no, I'm losing.
Patience, my boy. Try again.
Baba, how did you do that?
You are playing only what you see now. I am playing what will happen later.
So, life is like this game?
Yes. If you rush, you lose seeds. If you think, you gather them.
What does this have to do with Ori?
Ori helps you see beyond the present move.
So when I listen to my Ori, I will choose the better moves in life?
Yes. People who ignore Ori keep repeating losing moves.
Can someone start winning again after losing?
As long as seeds remain on the board, the game is not over.
This time, it works. I did it!
You slowed down, you listened.
Baba, is life really this simple?
Life is simple. People make it complicated when they stop listening to their Ori. We have different Ayo Olopon with a different life path.
Baba, today I learned about Ori.
Yes.
But you said Ori guides life. So what is life itself?
You ask big questions for a small body.
My head wants to understand.
This is Aye.
The world?
Yes, the place where humans struggle, work, love, fight, build, and forget.
Forget what?
Why they came.
Came from where?
Orun.
The sky.
Not just sky. Orun is where existence begins and where truth cannot be hidden.
So we came from there?
Yes.
And we will go back?
One day.
Then why don't people remember?
Because Aye is loud and my memory is inside here.
So Ori connects Aye and Orun?
Now you are beginning to see. In the days ahead, I will teach you about Aye, how it tests people, and Orun, how it watches people.
Will it be difficult?
Truth is not difficult, but accepting truth can be.
Baba, are you afraid of Orun?
No,
Why?
because I try to live in a way that my Ori will not accuse me when I return. Prepare yourself, my son. Understanding Aye without knowing Orun can confuse a person. But understanding both can set a person free.